Today's program is to print the area of the geometrical figures like square, rectangle, triangle and circle, but as a menu driven program. So we need the command lines. So these are the command lines, and we need to declare some variables, and there are a lot of variables declared over here. So there are some variables declared as float, some variables declared as double, and the area is double again. So this is the program where the menu driven is displayed. So main menu, and number one, area of a square, area of a triangle, area of a rectangle and the circle. So, and also if you want to exit out of the program completely, so there is an option number 5, and you have to press number 5. It will take you out of the program completely. Exit out of the program completely. So now it is going to ask you for the choice in the sense which figures area is to be calculated. So we are going to give a choice in CH. So once CH is given any value, maybe 1, 2, 3 or 4 or even 5, so it will go to the switch statement. Switch, and let us say we are given 1 as a choice. So CH we are given 1, so this will be also 1. So as CH is 1, so it is saying switch to 1. That means it will go to case 1. In case 1, we have got the program for square, to find out the square for the area of the square. So to find out the area of the square, we need to enter a side. So one side is entered over here, and you know, to calculate the area, the side has to be multiplied, side into side. I have taken the variable S1 into S1, it will calculate the area of the square, and also it is going to print it. And you know well, if case is written, break has to be there. So in switch program, case has to be there, along with case, break has to be there. So similarly, if your choice is 2 or if your choice is 3, let us say this time the choice is 3. The choice is 3, that is to find out the area of a triangle. So you will be giving the choice as 3. So switch CH, so 3, so we will go to case 3. So we'll go to case 3, and this is the program to calculate the area of a triangle. So for triangle, the formula is half into base into height. So we need to enter the base first. So let us say base we have entered, then we have to enter the height. So we will be entering the height, and this is the place where we are going to calculate the area. So half into base into height. So half HA, which is already taken over here. In the declaring variables, I have taken HA over here. It is already declared at 0.5, half. So half is already declared. So half into base into height. So base we are given, height also we are given, half into base into height, and there is an explicit conversion. So I have to say double over here, because the data type for area is double, and we are trying to enter the base in float and also height in float, but the area where the area of the triangle is getting calculated is declared as float, as a double. So but we are entering the base in float, also the height in float, so we have to convert the everything in double. So there has to be explicit conversion, type conversion. So once the calculation is done, so type conversion will be there and area will be printed, and then break. Now let us say we want to exit out of the program. We want to exit out of the program completely. So the choice is 5. This is number 5. So we'll give number 5 over here. So switch CH, so it will go to case 5. So case 5 is over here, and to exit out of the program. to completely exit out of the program, we have to use the statement system.exit 0. So this exit 0 or this function or this statement will completely take you out of the program. I'll show you in the demonstration on the output. And now let us say you have given a wrong choice. You have got 1, you have got 2, you have got 3, you have got 4, you have got 5. Now other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have given some other number. Let us say 7 or 9, something like that. So let us say you have given 9. So once you have given 9 over here, so you will go to switch 9 or case 9. The program is going to search for case 9. So there is no case 9. We have got only case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5. So what will happen? The program will go to default and it will give you a message, you have entered a wrong choice. Okay, I'll show you the output. Compile. Over here, no syntax error. So that means there is no error in the program. So see number 1, area of square. So enter your choice, it says. Enter your choice. So we'll give 1. 1 means area of the square. Enter. It is asking us for the side, because to calculate the area of the square we need one side. I given 6. So see the area of the square it is printing is 36.0. So this time the choice is 2 and 2 is rectangle, area of the rectangle. So I am giving 2 over here. So 2 is given, area of the rectangle. So enter the length, I given 6. Enter the breadth, I given 4. Say 24.0, area of the rectangle. Now number 3, area of triangle. So I'll give 3 over here. Enter the base. Let us say 6.5 is the base, and height. Height is, let us say, 5.3. So this is the calculation as per the formula, and you get the area of the triangle is this much. Now triangle is over. So let us see circle, area of a circle, number 4. So I'll give 4. It is asking me to enter the radius. Radius is, let us say, 6.2, and this is the radius of the circle. I mean the area of the circle. So this time we want to exit completely out of the program. Choice number 5. So I'll give 5 over here. Now see what happens. See, it has completely came out of the program. Now we have got enter your choice again, and we have got choice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as I told you earlier, other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let us say I give 9. What happens? See, you have entered a wrong choice. Will give you a message like this.